Woman, me love you, but you nah get me heart fi play with like Dolly. Can't settle down, lad, me just can't carry. Me wish me coulda do it like Marshall and Tommy, but me is a bachelor, we just afraid to get married. Did young and naive and get hurt by a woman, so me grew up with a desire to hurt every woman. Me wish me coulda make me heart soft like a cushion and come home every night and return to your bosom. But the streets keep calling.
Keely, every ghetto youth, yeah. If you don't make money, then you don't make sense. Pounds and US, no pence.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? Jamaican singer DeVille has been released from jail after allegedly hitting his wife in the face during a domestic dispute. DeVille is to return to court on June 24th.
Then you mean to tell me, say, you never do him nothing and him just pat up your eyes up?
It's true. He make me eye black and blue, then ask what the hell the police can do.
No mind ya, my dear. I go and pay him a visit. Who that? Police, boy blue. Oh, so you is the Babylon books that is causing disruption in my domestic affairs. I am Constable Brown, them call me Boy Blue. I have here a warrant to arrest you, cause you beat up your girl with black and blue.
What the deal? Mr. Vegas' child custody battle will be dragged into September after the case was set for mention on Monday, but was again put off after his baby mama was a no-show. The matter is set for mention on September 17th.
Warrant is still active. It was a no-show again on the other party, you know, so the new court date is September 17th, and you know, that's going to be like 1 year with me not seeing my daughter, you know, so that somewhat, you know, takes a toll, and I guess will take a toll on any responsible father who wants to know the whereabouts of his children. So it's just one of them situations, you know, we're just trying to handle it the best way, but I just think, you know, 1 year without seeing your child, you know, is like totally ridiculous now. You know, we'll just have to wait and see, you know, how it goes. The next court date it's going to be September 17th.
What the deal? Veteran dancehall producer Shane Richards is demanding that Mr. Vegas pay him $20,000 US, claiming that the 90s Black Widow rhythm, of which he was the executive producer, was sampled by Mr. Vegas on his single called Champagne Rose, and it's causing Mr. Vegas' album Sweet Jamaica to be pulled from iTunes, Amazon and Google Play.
I would, you know, go as far as saying death threat, because, you know, he's just talking a bunch of stuff and just sending me some really disturbing emails. For the past 2 months I've been dealing with this psychopath. So I just think, you know, basically lost his mind. I think his stint in prison, you know, may have, you know, took a toll on him. So it's basically the Black Widow rhythm. I don't even remember the Black Widow rhythm that Beanie Man was on, and Mr. Vegas had big things that go on, and it was like a really popular rhythm, you know, in the 90s. So what happened was the original copyright owner for the beat, which is Steely and Clevie, you know, Steely passed away, so Clevie gave me permission to use the beat and replay the beat for me for my album. So he just had this infringement claim, got the album taken down from iTunes, Google Play, Amazon, all that stuff, you know, so we had to prove that the beat was replayed, and he's still not satisfied.
What the deal? Vybz Kartel murder trial has been postponed to November 18 after the court was told that the main witness in that murder case is not responding. However, the trial is to proceed.
In the court, prosecutors today admitted they are having trouble with one of the 2 murder cases against dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel. In the case in question, Kartel and his 2 co-accused, Lenberg MacDonald and Nigel Thompson, are accused of murdering Barrington Burton, otherwise called Bossy, in Portmore St. Catherine. But today, prosecutors admitted to court that police investigators have been unable to find the main witness. The Office of the Director of Public Prosecution says it therefore intends to use a statement of the witness to try the case. The trial is set for June 10. Meanwhile, Kartel and 5 other men are to stand trial on November 18 for the second murder, that of Clive Williams. Kartel has been in custody since September 2011.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out islandvibes.com for the latest music, news and mixtape. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
Yo, come and sit down and I watch you every day. Yeah, I'm a know say that you want come away. Here say your boyfriend I treat you like stray. Woman you know say that you should have there with me. You know your man a play. I'm a promise and me never make you ball. Anytime you want me take you shopping at the mall. Want talk to me give you cellular for call. Leave it up to me, you wouldn't worry none at all.